Blacked Out Jeep Wrangler here. Welcome back to another vlog. Well, I was actually going through the video over here that I had uploaded, the off-road trail adventure. If you guys haven't seen it, do check it out. It is amazing. Anyways, I was going through it and I realized that there were a lot of scenes that I could not put in for you guys just because of the constraints I had on time, because it was just getting way too long. And second of all, there were some scenes that were just taking away from the whole off-road adventure, and so I decided not to include it in at that time, but now I want to show it to you guys. So hold on to your seats, sit tight, and enjoy these deleted scenes. Okay, the reason I didn't include this into the original clip was that this was already in the background where I am introducing myself and where I am at. Alright guys, I felt that this scene got a little too long with me explaining about the four-wheel drive system, so I decided to take this out. So 4 high is just good for traction. Good in the snow and ice. You can travel up to about somewhere between 80 to 100 kilometers an hour and still be safe. You're not really ruining your engine or anything like that. 4 low, you can't travel that fast with it. It's to get you out of a real sticky situation, or to climb that stubborn rock. So yeah, those are the two differences. I wouldn't suggest ever driving for a long period of time on 4 low, ever. It'll just ruin your engine pretty much. So we're currently on 4 high right now, just for that extra traction on the sand and dust and stuff like that. So it definitely helps.
So if you have a nice little lawnmower like a Civic stuck in between a bunch of Jeeps,
yes,
would you recommend running it over in 4 high or 4 low?
That's a good one. I would stick it on 4 low so you can cause the most amount of damage. Okay, for this scene I just couldn't get it to connect well with the previous scene, so I decided to take it out. It just wasn't stitching smoothly. Okay, so this was a photo shoot Jeep posing scene. I felt that it was quite long, and again, taking away from the whole off-road experience, that go that we're constantly watching, and this kind of just stopped the video and took a lot of time. So I mean, the Jeeps look great and I think it's some great posing of Jeeps, but yeah, just they had to get rid of it.
Another Jeep. It's a Jeep trail for sure. Only Jeeps can handle what we're going through.
It wasn't part of our crew, so I just felt that I should leave it out for the scene. Alright, so for this scene over here, we're looking at a photo shoot. Guys are posing in front of their Jeeps, or next to their Jeeps. I found that this was, again, slowing down the video quite a bit, and also took a lot of time, as you'll see after this little scene over here.
There's the Blacked Out Jeep Wrangler here. My name is YouTuber and I'm a Jeepaholic.
What ends up happening is we show all the Jeeps then driving out, and it's just extremely slow just watching all of these and then trying to get back on track with the rest of the off-roading and trailing. So took this scene out, but here it is for you guys to take a look at. Alright, so these looked amazing, but just couldn't find a way to put these in and have the rest of the video flow nicely, so decided to take it off.
Alright guys, I call this the one-hand Egg McMuffin off-roading adventure skill.
Alright guys, this was just really random. Okay guys, I didn't really feel I needed this clip. Again, it was just one of those clips that slow you down.
Yeah, they say it's supposed to be for off-roading. I probably took it off-road and then some.
So after the interview with Neo at GTA Jeeps, I found that this was just getting too long.
Do you find it's a bit of a pain though, like with the clutch and constantly...
Sometimes, yeah.
It's cool. Now you got some interesting stuff on your Jeep that a lot of us don't. So you also have this is like a jack.
It's a recovery jack.
It's a recovery jack. Nice. These are good for guys that are like on a 3.5-inch lift and stuff like that?
Yeah, you can get up to most times.
You can go up to 6 inches?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. What do you call this exactly over here?
It's a limb riser.
A limb riser, okay.
So to kind of guide the tree branches over the hood and over the top so you don't scratch your hood too much.
Okay. Has that been kind of helping on the trail today?
A little bit, yeah. A little bit.
I actually like that. It's it looks pretty nifty. Cool. Well, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. All right.
Yeah.
This clip right over here just stopped the whole trail video, and so I took it off.
I don't know if this is a stolen vehicle or what the hell's going on here. Let's go take a closer look, guys. You got like clothing and some weird shit down here.
Yeah.
Weird stuff. Let's take a look into the trunk. That's weird. Wow. Yeah. You got like a Mazda 3. Bashed glass. Wow, take a look at that. Let's take a look at that.
Alright, so this is a real nice scene over here, but I find it's just too pretty or too slow for everything else that has kind of gone on in the final video that we created. So what I did was I took this totally off. It's kind of dreamy if you see what I'm trying to get to over here. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, please remember to hit the like, share, and the biggest thing, subscribe. And remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.